flash off. Wind don't blind him.
I wonder if he can walk. He can.
Nay, what do you want to do with him?
I'm gonna carry him and put him in a nest or something like that.
Oh, did you hear him?
Sounds like a baby chick.
I told you he cheats.
It's scaring him.
I told you he cheats.
You want him to have his mommy?
Yeah.
Or do you want a daddy to go put him up in the tree?
No, it went down.
He fell down?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, all the baby birds are falling today.
He fell down.
No,
He's-
it did.
He's crying for his mommy.
I'm glad we didn't step on him.
Is he crying?
Should I carry him up?
Nay, what do you want to do with him?
Mommy.
Where's his mommy?
Mommy, I'm gone.
Well, where? You have to find his mommy first.
Yeah.
Okay, where's she at?
We need like to get a special thing to carry him. Mommy.
Where is his mommy?
Mom,
We have to find a
did
bird.
you really
flying.
say I was about to carry it?
Yeah, go carry him and put him under the tree over there so nobody steps on him or anything.
Mom, can you walk us to that?
Nay, do you want to
nest
pick
we
him up?
found?
Do you want to pick him up and carry him over to the tree where his mommy lives?
Mom, should we carry?
Huh?
Mommy near.
His mommy's over there?
No.
Well, where do you want to carry him to?
No.
Huh?
I know where a nest is. That's
I'll
really
wait.
low. In a tree.
Oh, baby
Okay, I'm gonna carry
birdie.
him.
You want Livy to pick him up and put him in a tree
I'm scared.
to be safe?
He bites me.
Nay, do you want to pick him up?
No, it's scaring me.
Why? It's a baby bird.
What are you looking at, baby? I'm scared.
Nay, you try to pick him up.
Pick him up.
Nay,
Here's your mama. Here's your mama.
I know he wants his mommy. His mommy is over by the tree.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Why?
Cute ant.
Why?
Wait, Mom, I think this is a jumping ant. Oh, never mind.
Okay, Kalia, can you pick him up and put him over at the tree?
No, I can't. I can't, Sherry. I can't.
Why? Why?
Because.
Just pick him up and take him over to the tree. You think it's funny, huh?
I'll pick him up.
You would? Oh, he can't fly.
Nay, he wants to fly.
Mom, I'm looking in the grass if there's more blueberries. I'm sneaking in. Okay, I'm gonna carry him.
What's his name?
No, don't touch it. We don't know if it's a boy or girl.
Nay, you don't
Oh.
want me to touch it?
How about Sam? Because Sam can be a girl or a boy.
Sad.
He's sad?
I'm gonna get him.
Pick him up and go put him in the tree, Nene.
Don't touch it.
Get a leaf. No, get 2 sticks.
Don't.
Pick him up, Liv.
I'm scared.
Pick him up. And go put him in the tree. Otherwise, he's going to get stepped on. And it's going to be sad. Just go put him in the grass over there.
In the grass.
That's where birds live, in the nest and grass.
Hey,
Oh, Nay's going to pick him up with the leaf. She's got a leaf.
Yeah.
You do it, Nay.
Give me another one.
Here's leaves.
Nay, get him.
No.
He wants to go see his mommy.
I got you. I can't do it.
Just pick him up with your hands.
No sticks. 2 sticks.
No, don't.
Mom, Mom, get 2 sticks.
Scare him.
Mom, get 2 sticks.
No, get this one.
Mom, get 2 sticks.
Nay.
Mom, get 2 sticks.
I got you, baby bird.
Mom, get 2 sticks. It would probably work.
It'll work.
Ah! You tipped him over. There. Sheesh.
Give me a leaf.
There. You, Nanny, stop. I got my own leaf.
Hey, give me a leaf. Give me a leaf.
Come on.
Ah! Ew, I touched his wing. Hey, another one. Have a baby one.
Nay. Do you want... Remember the birds we saw today in Topeka? Remember the birds?
Yeah, probably that mama.
Okay, Mom. I know one.
It's okay, baby bird.
Nay. Here. Oh, he tried to bite me.
It's okay, baby bird.
Okay, tell him bye. Oh my goodness. Tell him bye, Nay. We're gonna go put him under the tree. Tell him bye.
Mom, I got a special place.
I bet you.
He's gonna bite me. He's okay.
Mom, I know
Come
where...
here, Nay.
Mom, come here.
I know one.
Mom,
No.
Mom, come here. I know where a nest is
No, we
that
can't.
you can put him in.
Actually, we just have to put him over there by the tree, so then his mommy can maybe see him. Nay,
No,
come here.
Mom, I know where a nest is.
Look, you're gonna tell him bye. He's going to go over and
Mom,
he's
I
gonna go to
know
sleep
where
over
a
there by the
nest
tree.
is. Seriously.
By
that tree? I know where a nest is.
No.
Seriously.
Come on.
Ah! I'm just too
Then
scared.
you have to take him.
No, you're gonna take him.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
I'll
show
do
you where it is.
Tell him goodbye, Nay.
Come
Bye.
on, Mom. Please. Please.
Nay, what do you want to do with him?
No. Look. No.
Well, what do you want to do with him?
No. A bird. In this way. A
Well-
bird is this way.
Bird. What if it's that? What if that's bird is not his mommy?
A dad.
It's
A
his,
dad.
it's his dad.
Yeah, daddy.
Mom, I know where a nest is.
Isn't he cute?
Mom, just please follow me.
Do you want to take him home?
I know where a nest is.
Should we take him inside? Nay, can you take care of him tonight? Can he
No.
spend the night with you?
No.
Nay, we're gonna put him in a special place.
Nay, he can sleep on your pillow.
Yeah.
You want him to sleep on your pillow tonight?
Here, come on, Mom. I know where.
Nay, you want him to sleep in your bed and on your pillow?
This one.
No, not that place. Sounds like stuff on.
He's got to go bye-bye. We're going to put him under the tree.